Today's top news headlines. BJP ticket announcement triggers protest in Manipur. MPCC remembers Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on 74th death anniversary. And Manipur reports 329 COVID-19 new cases, 3 deaths. Hello, this is Point TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7 and LAKSMIBAI Thangzam. Now the news in detail. Manipur on Sunday witnessed pre-poll ticket tussle with several parts of the state reporting burning and tearing of BJP flags and mandal properties following announcement of BJP candidate list for the two first state assembly polls slated for February 27 and March 3. Despite efforts to break the ticket deadlock, the BJP Manipur Pradesh could not control sparred by party workers and supporters of intending candidates over ticket allotment. Supporters of intending candidates in the 60 assembly constituencies staged protests over ticket denial. The saffron leaders were in tenterhooks as the party had 3 to 7 ticket aspirants. It is said that those who have been denied BJP ticket are equally strong. Many BJP ticket aspirants said their dreams had been shattered. The ruling BJP is expecting to win at least 40 seats in the ensuing polls. The BJP reportedly delayed announcement of party's candidates list, fearing violence and also in a bid to prevent its probable candidates from jumping ship before the process of filing nomination begins. Unlike the opposition Congress, which had announced 40 candidates recently as the first list for the Manipur polls, the BJP has announced names of all 60 seats. Similarly, the National People's Party, a coalition party of the BJP-led government, also had announced names of 20 candidates recently. N. Biren Singh of Hengang, who is heading the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur, Thongam Biswajit Singh of Thongzu, Works Minister, and a BJP strongman Thongnauzam Syam Kumar of Andhra, Rajkumar Imo Singh of Sagolban, Okram Henry Singh of Wangkai, Prithviraj Singh of Moirang, and Yangkhom Surchandra of Kaching are among the BJP candidate list unveiled today. The votes will be counted and the results will be declared on March 10. Former MLA K.H. Loken Singh was denied BJP ticket, prompting his supporters to condemn the Saffron Party and burning of BJP flags and documents of BJP Sagolban Mandal. He was planning to contest the Manipur polls on BJP ticket from Sagolban constituency. Minutes after the ticket announcement, BJP flags and documents of BJP Sagolban Mandal were set on fire by a large number of K.H. Loken supporters. They also shouted many slogans against the BJP. The police were seen trying to control the angry crowd. Meanwhile, angry supporters of Sapam Nisikan, who was also a BJP ticket aspirant, tore BJP flags and posters. Nisikan was planning to contest the state polls from Kaisamthong constituency. The BJP ticket for Kaisamthong was allotted to Elangam Johnson, former president of United Committee Manipur, UCM. Sapam Nisikan, however, said he will run in the polls.
राजनीति तौबदा असान मेरा थोड़ा उतना हो जे केंद्र पर क्या खुदों तुना हो जे अमत तो ओना मयाम ले do si di phondong na rele ji chngomang ke nda mai ho na cha ku ki film da la ai ho ai ko yan ma
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯅꯤꯁꯤꯀꯥꯟ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯐꯪꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯉꯝꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯉꯝꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯅꯤ.
In Kakching, Mayanglambam Rameshwar missed BJP ticket. BJP ticket for Kakching constituency was allotted to former MLA Yengkhom Surchandra. The constituency also witnessed protest over BJP ticket allotment. Janata Dal United observed the 74th death anniversary of M.K. Gandhi and 38th death anniversary of former Chief Minister of Manipur, Yang Maso Shaiza, at the party office located at Hodam Lerak in Imphal on Sunday. Floral tributes were paid at the photos of Mahatma Gandhi and Yang Maso Shaiza on the occasion. JDU National General Secretary and Northeast in charge Afa Ahmad Khan, workers of state unit among others, attended the function. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also observed the 74th death anniversary of M.K. Gandhi on Sunday at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. Floral tribute was paid at Gandhi's statue. CLP leader O Iwobi, CWC member Gai Khangam, AICC Manipur in charge, Bhakta Charandas, MLA and several party members were present at the event. Ann Loken, president of MPCC during the function, said Congress will announce second list of party candidates tomorrow. He also mentioned that the Congress in Manipur has forged a pre-poll alliance with 5 parties. The party also mulling forming post-poll alliance with some other parties, he added.
Party taruk lepki sigum base koi pre-poll alliance like hai aduna atopa singduka de koi manungda wari sari adu makki singdudi ahan bidu na koi pre-poll alliance ki wapam utkal laite adu post poll tawbagi di koi manungda understanding ama laina.
CLP leader O Iwobi during the function highlighted on the importance of Gandhina ideologies to safeguard democracy and secularism. The Congress party has been following the Gandhina ideologies, he said. He mentioned about the declaration of 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, as the International Day of Non-Violence by United Nations. This, Iwobi said, shows everyone like Gandhina ideologies. Gandhi tried hard to build a strong secular and democratic India where everyone has the right to express their thoughts freely, he said.
Adugumba laikidabagi palanadu Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinbi langbiduna masi koi masiraida Rashtrapita gi mafamda mana pamjaramba mana ningjaramba madu koi Congress khudinakna thabak poina pangthokpa ngamjege haiduna mahakki murti da lay manam to patna kok nondra koi Florent tribute asi tawjari bani mayam na su hena khambire madudi 2nd October maki mapuk numita prithvi pumna makna United Nations na yadna maki mapuk numit ase International Day of Non-Violence.
Manipur on Saturday reported 329 coronavirus new cases and 3 deaths. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was 16.4%. The state's COVID tally surged to 1,32,910, while the death toll rose to 2,041. The state COVID-19 Command Control Room in a release said the first infections were detected after testing 2,002 samples in the past 24 hours. It added that 182 persons were discharged. As India achieved the landmark of fully vaccinating 75% of its eligible population, Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated fellow citizens for the momentous feat. He also congratulated those involved in India's vaccination drive against coronavirus. India's vaccine coverage rose to 165,70,60,692. Meanwhile, India reported 2,34,281 new COVID-19 cases, 893 deaths and 3,52,784 recoveries in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Sunday. The fresh cases of COVID-19 reported on Sunday morning are marginally lower than those logged on Saturday, the report said. Former MLA of Andhra Assembly Thongnauzam Syam Kumar has got BJP ticket for the scheduled Manipur polls. Hundreds of his supporters thronged Syam Kumar's residence to celebrate. Many, including self-help group of Top Chingtha and a large number of women from Laimanai, donated money to Syam Kumar. Besides, older women presented food grains to him. Thingbai Swaran Kumar